How to put flash notifications on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings. Let's just go back. Let's just go back here to settings. Now here on your settings, what you're gonna do is to go here directly to your accessibility. Click on that, and then these options will come out. So you'll see different sections here. You will see the vision section, the physical and motor section, the hearing section, the speech, and of course the general section. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go here and focus on hearing here, the hearing section. Now, you will see audio slash visual here. Click on that. Then the next thing that you want to do is to scroll all the way down up until you see the LED flash for alerts. So currently it's turned off. Currently it is currently turned off, but if you want to use that, toggle that on, so whenever you receive notifications, there will be flashing on the back part of your phone, especially the flashlight area. And then let's say you want to also turn on while the phone is unlocked, you can do that. Or you can flash in silent mode, depends on your choice. And basically that's how you put flash notifications on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.